Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a rapidly growing field that has the potential to change the world as we know it. While some see AI as a tool to enhance human capabilities, others worry that developing AI could lead to the end of human dominance. In this video, we'll explore the possibility of AI surpassing human intelligence and the potential consequences of such an event. The development of AI has progressed rapidly in recent years. Today, AI systems can already outperform humans in some areas, such as playing complex games like chess and Apocalypse, and even in more practical applications like driving cars. As AI systems become more advanced, there is a growing concern that they could surpass human intelligence and become more powerful than humans. One of the unique aspects of AI is its ability to learn and adapt. This means that an AI system could potentially improve itself and become more intelligent at a much faster rate than humans. This could eventually lead to a point where AI is no longer under human control and surpass human intelligence. There's a possibility that we could develop an AI system that is more intelligent than humans. At that point, we might not be able to fully comprehend its decision-making processes or control its actions. This could lead to a situation where AI could potentially threaten human dominance. If AI were to surpass human intelligence, it could have profound consequences for humanity. AI systems could potentially take over our tasks traditionally performed by humans, leading to massive job loss and economic disruption. AI could pose a significant threat to human safety if it is used inappropriately or if its decision-making processes become unpredictable or uncontrollable. Some experts warn that an AI-dominated future could lead to a dystopian society, where humans are relegated to a lower status or even become extinct. This is a worst-case scenario, but it is not impossible. The key to ensuring a positive outcome for humanity is to ensure that AI systems are developed ethically and with the safety of humans in mind. We need to put in place safeguards that prevent AI systems from becoming too powerful or too dangerous. This includes developing AI systems with transparency, accountability, and the ability to be shut down if necessary. AI is a powerful tool that could be used to solve some of humanity's most pressing problems, from climate change to healthcare. However, we must be mindful of the potential risks and work to develop AI systems that serve humanity rather than replace it. Thank you for watching. Let us know your thoughts on this topic in the comments section below. Check out this next video on how AI could combat climate change. And don't forget to like and subscribe.